Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Ford Ranger can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Alright guys, so the steps for this installation is identical on both the driver and passenger side, so we'll be showing you each step on the driver's side. Now we're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle. You may need to lower your spare tire, but we've determined that we have enough room that we don't need to. So our hitch is going to be connected to the bottom of the frame using the two bumper bracket bolts on both sides. Now we'll need to remove these, but this is holding our bumper into place. So first we're going to secure it using some vice grips. We have this tab right here that we're going to clamp it to. And that way when we remove these, our bumper won't fall. Now that we have our vice grips clamped down on both sides of the vehicle, we're going to use a 21mm socket to remove all of our bumper bracket bolts. Alright, now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. Now with our hitch in place, we're going to take our existing bumper bracket bolts and we're going to secure it into place. Now with all of our bolts into place, we're going to tighten and torque all of them to manufacturer specification, and we're going to be using a 21mm socket. And with everything secured, we'll go ahead and remove our vice grips. With our install complete, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 20.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information on this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.